Kim, is that the new
Oh, hey, Andrew. It sure is.
Let me take a look. Oh my gosh, everyone is gonna love
Hey, Andrew, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, sure. What can I do for you?
Can we get rid of the I think it's actually giving people the wrong impression, and we're just not like that at Kimberbell.
Oh, yeah, sure. It's just with we really have to be careful. We can't reveal too much. It's a security thing.
That is true, but maybe we could change, the sound effect just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. How about this?
No.
Let's try...
Nope. Ooh, no. That just makes me want to have a vacation. No. Nope.
How about this one?
That's it. Perfect. I love it. Coming to you from Kimberbell this November. Stay tuned.